Good afternoon, guys. Okay, so I'm Roel D. Alarcon, Sales Agent 2 ng St. Peter Novaliches Branch. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ituturo ko kung paano bumili through online ng St. Peter product and service na ino-offer. Okay, so punta tayo sa website ng St. Peter. So, ilalagay ko na lang ang link sa video ito. Okay. Then, pag punta natin sa website, sa online.stpeter.com.ph. Una ay gagawa muna tayo ng ating account. Make sure nyo na meron kayong active email address kung saan doon magpapadala ng verification code ang St. Peter. And the same time, meron kayong active cellphone number at doon naman ipapadala ang OTP. Okay, so fill up tayo. Okay, yung last name, first name, and middle name. Then, yung inyong active email address. Okay. Then, yung ating or yung inyong active cellphone number. Okay. Then, maglagay kayo ng password. Okay, so kailangan at least a number, uppercase and lowercase letter, symbol, and at least 8 or more characters. Okay. Then, after nating maglagay ng ating password at nag-match na, then create account. Okay. Then, puntahan ninyo yung email address ninyo na ni-register nyo sa St. Peter Online. Okay. Then, kunin ang verification code. Okay. Then, check ninyo yung inyong cellphone number for the OTP. Okay. Or yung one-time PIN. Okay, then submit. Okay, so then confirm. Okay. So dito sa online St. Peter, so kailangan ninyong mag-agree. Okay, basahin nyo muna yung contract dito, yung mga policy. Okay. Then after nyo mabasa or ma-review, okay. Then I agree. Click the I agree. Okay. Okay, then continue. Then punta kayo doon sa inyong email again para ma-verify ninyo yung or ma-active ninyo yung inyong account. Okay. Once na na-active na ninyo yung inyong account, then try nyo uling mag-login. Okay. Okay. Then yung password. Then login. Okay? So, once na nakapag-login na kayo, so need nyo mong ilagay uli yung OTP. Okay, then submit. Ayan. So, once na gawa na kayo ng account and na-register na, then active na, pwede na kayong mag-browse or mag-check or mag-add to cart ng mga product na ino-offer ng St. Peter. Sa our products, so nandito yung ino-offer na plan ng St. Peter. Okay, nandito ang traditional plan and cremation plan. Check muna natin ang traditional plan. Okay. Kung saan sa traditional plan, nandito yung 6 na service na ino-offer. Okay, so nandito yung St. Anne, St. Bernadette, St. Clair, St. Dominic, St. George, and St. Gregory. Okay, then check natin ang cremation plans. Okay, so nandito ang St. James and St. Jude. So, compare natin yung dalawang plan. Okay, so click nyo lang yan, then compare. Then, makikita nyo rito yung description nung dalawang plan. Okay, then the total contract price. At the same time, yung mode of payment, annual, semi-annual, quarterly, and monthly. Okay, so then back to list. Then, ang kukuhain ko ay sa traditional plan. Okay. So, nandito yung 6. Try natin i-compare yung tatlo. St. Anne, St. George, and St. Gregory. Then, compare. Okay. So, nandito yung casket description ng bawat plan. St. Anne, St. George, and St. Gregory. Contract price for the mode of payment, annual, semi-annual, quarterly, and monthly. Okay. So, this time, ang pipiliin ko ay St. Gregory. So, add to cart ako nung St. Gregory. Okay. Then, nandito yung mga plan benefits. Okay. Pakibasa na lang yung mga benefits. Okay. And the same time, yung mga plan features. Dito rin. Then, for spot cash, may discount. So, magiging 42,660. Lahat ng plan may discount kapag spot cash. Okay, then for the mode of payment, payable in 5 years per installment. Nandito yung annual, semi-annual, quarterly, and monthly. Okay, so isang plan or one quantity yung aking kukunin. Then quarterly, then I have read and understood the benefits and features of the plan. Then click add to cart. Okay. So once na kinlik nyo yung add to cart, so then proceed to checkout. Okay. Then nandito yung mga requirements. So kailangan meron kayong naka-prepare na valid ID and 3 specimen signature. So kailangan yan. Okay, then kailangan nating i-fill out yung mga required information. Then, got it? Okay. Then, ilagay na lang yung mga hinihinging information to proceed sa ating online application. Okay. For the beneficiary, so lagay kayo ng beneficiary. Okay. Mag-fill out na lang kayo. After nating ma-fill outan ang mga principal beneficiary, so proceed tayo sa part 3 for health declaration. Okay. So pakibasa na lang yung nakalagay dito sa health declaration natin. Okay. Okay. Then ito na, nanghihingi na ng government ID and 3 specimen signatures. Okay, so need nating mag-upload ng mga file. Okay? So after nating makapag-upload ng ating government ID or valid ID and 3 specimen signature, so magtatanong kung merong agent referral. Okay. So please pakilagay ang aking referral agent code. So ROWE 9425. Okay, so nandito yung aking name as sales agent 2 mag-a-appear. Then proceed, click the proceed icon. Okay, then confirm. Okay, so andito na yung LPA or yung life plan application, kung saan pwede nyo yung ma-edit. Okay, so nandyan yan. Ayan. May gusto kayong baguhin, idagdag. Okay. Ayan. Then again, yung aking referral code. Then proceed. Then confirm. Then after nating ma-fill out ng mga LPA form, upload ang valid ID, 3 specimen signature, mabasa ang mga terms and condition, policy. So mamimili na tayo ng ating payment option. Kung saan nandito yung mga option natin. Pwedeng credit card, BPI, online, through GCash, over-the-counter payment, and the other bank partner of St. Peter. So this time, pipiliin ko ay GCash. So don't forget to check that I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. So check, then press or click the continue icon. Okay, then wait for the instruct. Okay, so after nating ma-confirm, then input natin yung ating GCash number. Okay, then next. Then magsisend ng code ating GCash number. Then next. Then pay. So that's all. So then okay. So screenshot nyo na lang para meron kayong proof. Then back to merchant. Then so after natin makapagbayad through GCash, so nandito na yung ating transaction proof na successful yung ating ginawang transaction. Then continue. Then you have a payment successful. Okay? So I hope nakatulong ang video ito kung paano mag-avail through online ng St. Peter plan. So that's all.